Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto Z, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So to enable it, all you can do is simply pull down the notification panel, and here you will have somewhere, hopefully, or I guess not, let's just add it in this case, tap on the pencil, and there it is, hotspot. So you can actually grab it, drag it over to here, go back, and now we should have hotspot. So we can enable it by simply tapping on it like so. There we go, that's enabled. And you can also hold the option, and it will take you to the settings where we can customize this. So number one, set up Wi-Fi hotspot, tap on right here, and you will have network name, which you can change for something different. There we go. Change it to something different. And also going back here, you can change the password. Unfortunately, I don't see a way. Oh, there we go. Show the password. So you can either use the one that comes by default, whatever a random password sets, or you can just remove this one and, for instance, set up a different one. And then you also have the option right here to choose either 2.4 gigahertz band or 5 gigahertz band. And whichever one you choose, keep in mind that one of them might not actually work. The 5 gigahertz, if you're trying to connect to a network, the phone's network on an older device, your older device might not support the 5 gigahertz network. So if you don't see the name of your network, which for me would be dank memes, then that means that your device doesn't support the 5 gigahertz and you will want to drop to 2.4. That's basically what every device has, most certainly. So once you have set it up the way you want it, tap on save, and you can then go back and enable it from here or disable it, and it will then work by the settings that we have set right now. So the password and the network name will be the ones that you have set, and they will stay that way. So that is how you can enable and set up the hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.